Hello, how are you? Welcome to Bima's Crafty Corner. I am Bima, better known as Els, and this is our Monday Mixed Media Mini Morsels. I gotta change the name of this thing. This is the 6th edition of this little project. So basically, we have a list of about 50 prompts. If you want to add something to this, let me know, and we'll go ahead and see about putting it on there. And you can get a copy of that over on my Google Docs. There will be a link in the description box below. And we allow a computer, basically, to pick our prompts. We're going to pick 5 prompts. You can do them in any order that you want. There's no rules here. You don't have to follow the order that they're pulled. You do not have to adhere to reality with these. You can do anything that you want, okay? Here we go. The first prompt for episode 6 is number 17, which is use red. And then we'll follow that one up with 46, which is use a Q-tip. And 49, add words. Number 50, blow liquid. I'll explain it. And the last one is number 1, which is add splatters or drips. Okay, let's get the cartoon off the, there we go. All right, so let's go over these. Use red. You can do anything you want with it. It could be red washi tape, red paint, red paper, whatever it is. Add something that's red. Using Q-tips. Now you can paint with Q-tips. You can blend chalks with Q-tips. There are so many different ways that you could create with Q-tips. You could just use the sticks. You could just take the cotton buds off and use those. It's up to you. Adding words. You can write them. You can pull them out of a magazine or a newspaper. However you want to do it. Maybe maybe, I don't know, you might be a little sinister. There might be some ransom words put in there. Blowing liquid with a straw. You just get yourself a straw and you put some liquid on your substrate. It can be ink, water, watered down paint, watercolor, whatever it is. Put it on there and just blow it with a straw. Get you a little lightheaded, but it's kind of fun. And then add splatters or drips. That can be ink, paint, whatever you want. Just go ahead and put that on there any way that you want to do that. And you can add to this. You can combine things, like maybe you want to use the Q-tip to add the red paint. I don't know. Maybe you want to use the red paint and the Q-tips to write the words. It's entirely up to you. You do you the way that you want to do you. This is completely free form, okay? So if you would like to submit your creation, we would love to see it. And you can do that by sending it over to our Facebook group. Also, linked in the description below, and you can get the link for this list in the description below. All you have to do is just click on more and it'll drop down and give you a whole bunch of links. Until I see you again, stay well, my friends. Bye-bye.